Hey, thanks for tuning in to the Atomic Puppies On-Set Review. I'm Jason Sanders, and today we're going to review the DJI MIC. The DJI MIC has easily become my new favorite piece of audio equipment. The two transmitters and the receiver come in a cool little carrying case that also acts as a charging unit. It also comes with a lightning adapter and a USB-C adapter for that receiver if you want to switch out the hot shoe. The DJI MIC comes with two transmitters and the one receiver, and those wireless transmitters, on the back of the clip, there's actually a magnetic tile. It's really strong. Actually so strong, DJI recommends keeping it away from any devices with an SSD or RAM. I'm not an audio engineer, but the sound quality is fantastic. I think it's better than the Rode mic that I have, and I think it's better than the Sennheiser wireless lavs that I used to use. Very easy to edit, very easy to work with, and I like that I have the feature of recording directly to the wireless transmitter. If for some reason my DSLR drops out, it's recorded directly to the transmitter, so I can easily plug it in with that Type-C connector that's built into the side of the transmitter, and I can pick up that audio recording. So it's really nice if my camera or my zoom cuts out or they walk around a corner, it won't cut out for them. It'll still record just fine and I can pick it up. So that alone is worth it. Now I'm currently using the lightning adapter to record this directly into my iPhone, just using the voice memo app built in. I'll then transfer it to my iCloud and use my MacBook to edit this in Adobe Audition, just to amplify it, take down that unwanted noise in the background, and I'm ready to go. But even if I don't do that, I find that the windscreen takes out enough of the background noise to where I don't really have to do much at all. The transmitters and the receivers alone are built very well. The case, very nice latch on the top, shows you when you're running low on that battery. The distance, about 250 meters is what they claim. I haven't been able to get it that far, but it absolutely goes a great distance and I haven't dropped anything at all. I was really impressed with how well the two transmitters picked up audio with that little windscreen on. I actually had to turn this recording down to -6 the entire time because it was picking it up so well, and I don't lose any audio when I bring it back up. I just kick out that fan noise. I could easily see this clever little recording system being the go-to for most videographers out there. I would definitely recommend this to anybody because the price tag is worth it. That's all I have for now on the DJI mic for this audio portion, but head over to atomicpuppies.com and check out the full technical review that I do on it, and make sure to subscribe and check back soon. Thanks.